Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So we did come off the tops yesterday, and we sort of just hovering in the middle of nowhere at the moment. There's no structure to the left. Closest bit of structure is something which we are rejecting at the moment, and that's at 111.739. Now, when we start getting through the time frames, other levels start to show themselves. Here's another one at 111.667. So what do we see here? Let's do that. That's going to be messy, but you'll get my message. We had a strong move up on Friday last week, and then we've sort of just meandered to the downside, looking for support at the moment. That one needs to go back there. So that's the zone of what should be supported at the moment. It's looking like they're trying to flip it to resistance. So that's 111.667. Oscillator's not giving me any other clues. We're in an upward trend. I'm looking for opportunities to buy. And there's nothing there. But if we bring the Fibonacci from there to there, we should be at Fibonacci level. So we are at the 50% Fibonacci, 61.8, just a little bit lower. So when we get down to the hour, 51.8 is right there. So I'll put the levels in, then we'll get rid of the noise. There's nothing at the 50%. If you look left, there's no structure there. So when you delete this, two scenarios. So the first one, which is very similar to what is happening on the indexes, is downward trend from yesterday's broken. So it's broken this morning and to the upside. So the zone that we're in here, lock that into place. The zone that we're in now, where price is right now, is very important. The Fibonacci retracement zone would be 111.469, 111.411. It lines up with support to the left, so that would be a decent buying area. But I think, looking at the 15 minutes, so you can see it was down, 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 bounced off nothing, up there, nothing, and now you've got a break of this trend line, which has happened, trying to come back onto support. And if I just fine tune it to the 15-minute chart, you'll see there is support. So there's the level that comes into play, 111.649, 111.650. Let's round that off, and you can see what's happening here. So I'd pay attention to this area at the European Open, but I think the confirmation for me is going to be a break of 111.740, break, retest that. Then that to me is going to set up this flag break, which basically means I have a measured move of significant proportion, takes it up to there. From a break of this, we are looking at 670 point gain here. So that's kind of my play for today. Need to clear the zone that we're in at the moment. So the zone is between 111.739 and 111.650. I need to clear it to come back and test it, find support in this area, and then look for the opportunities to enter, targeting I'd target 112 first. Did we get there yesterday? No, so I would target 112 first, which basically lines up to the high of Friday. So that's the first place I would target, and then get through that. Then I'd look for the measured move to 112.456. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.